Hello, very quick unboxing. This time it's for the TACKLIFE HGP72AC Heat Gun. Comes in a very boring brown box. This has got controllable heat. It's 2000 watt model and it ranges between 50 and 650 degrees C. So we'll open the box up and see what you get with it. It's nicely wrapped in cellophane, so we'll just that's the box empty. First bit we get, you're not getting the smell, it smells like it's sweets. You get warranty card, the user manual. The box has a very ominous warning about using the user manual, so I'm guessing it's quite comprehensive. It is multilingual. There's quite a lot of English. There's the details on the back. Yeah, it was 12 pages of manual in English. Quite useful, removing paint. Yep. So the manual might be useful this time. I've got a bag of bits here. There's a paint scraper. There's a sort of a little nozzle. There's a scraper there. There's another nozzle. And that's a nozzle as well. So you get quite a few nozzles. There's another nozzle. There's a bolty thing onto which I'm guessing you can attach these. So it's a sort of a scraper. I'm guessing that goes on there. And here's the actual heat gun itself. Look at that. Quite a substantial thing. A trigger. Quite a nice long flex. And that's the display at the back. You can adjust the heat and the airflow. Well, I think just the heat mainly, I think. There's that. That'll fit on there. There's the switches in there. So it looks, it's quite a big thing, isn't it, actually? Quite a substantial thing. This display on the back's quite handy because you can adjust the heat for various jobs rather than just having one heat. So you get quite a comprehensive range of scrapers and things like that. I don't think that's meant to go in there. I think it just did. Pretty sure that's supposed to just sort of fit on there. Let's undo these, see what happens. Fits on, moves a bit. So I don't really know what that's for, to be honest. Looks like it is a scraper. Let's see what the manual says about that. Yeah, scraper. Oh, fireplace charcoal lighter. So that's for lighting your charcoal or lighting your fire. Pretty funky. And there's a scraper which comes with these attachments here. Cone nozzle, yeah. Spoon reflector nozzle, that's for pipes, so that's for soldering pipes. gas protection nozzle. Protects windows when stripping frames. Right, so you can use that to strip windows. It's a lot. So different accessories: fishtail surface nozzle, glass protection nozzle, spoon reflector nozzle, cone nozzle, scraper, and barbecue nozzle. So you get quite a few different bits and bobs with it. Yeah, actually, thinking about it, you don't get, I'm not sure what the glass protection nozzle is. Don't think you get that, unless I've missed it. You get the sort of pointy thing, that's the pipe thing. That's the fishtail nozzle. I don't think you get the glass protection nozzle. So you don't get everything with it. But yeah, so you do get quite a few bits and bobs with it, and of course you get the heat gun itself. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, any questions about that, then stick them in the comments. I'm going to be using it to warm up the glue on an iPad to swap the screen over. So yeah, if that's been helpful, then obviously like and subscribe, that's always encouraged. And yeah, once again, thanks for watching.